Best Luxury Small Car for 2025 to 2024 Lexus RC. As we look towards 2025, the 2024 Lexus RC has been named the Best Luxury Small Car of the Year. This distinction underscores the RC's exceptional fusion of sleek design, advanced technology, and thrilling performance, setting it apart in the competitive luxury sports coupe market. Striking design and premium interior. The 2024 Lexus RC captivates with its bold, athletic design. The car features a prominent spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and a low, wide stance that exudes confidence and sportiness. Its sculpted body lines and aggressive rear profile further enhance its dynamic and stylish appearance. Inside, the RC offers a luxurious and meticulously crafted cabin. High-quality materials, including leather upholstery and soft-touch surfaces, create an upscale environment. The front seats are ergonomically designed for comfort and support, with available heating and cooling functions. Although the rear seats are more suited for shorter trips, they provide sufficient space for passengers. Cutting-edge technology and connectivity. The 2024 RC is equipped with a host of advanced technology features designed to enhance convenience and connectivity. The centerpiece is a 10.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The system's intuitive interface provides easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Additional tech features include a 7-inch digital instrument cluster that displays essential driving information clearly. The RC also offers an available Mark Levinson premium audio system, delivering an exceptional listening experience for enthusiasts. Performance and handling. The RC delivers an exhilarating driving experience with its powerful engine options. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 241 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more performance, the RCF variant boasts a 5.0-liter V8 engine generating 472 horsepower and 395 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive acceleration. The RC's rear-wheel drive layout and sport-tuned suspension offer precise handling and a dynamic driving experience. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a key priority in the 2024 RC, which includes a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard technologies include adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist, all contributing to a safer driving experience. Conclusion. The 2024 Lexus RC stands out as the best luxury small car for 2025, offering a perfect blend of striking design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance. Its refined interior, cutting-edge features, and dynamic driving capabilities make it an ideal choice for luxury sports coupe enthusiasts.